Yes.
What go on, Samota?
Stepping razor.
Yeah, man. I have an issue that I would like to share, because seeking for help. Yeah, my father has a property where a lady used to work at the land agent, and she have two friends that set up and ask the father for the property. But when my father come by the property, he used to work with a man named Mr. Murphy, and he leave him in charge of the property. So that he have over 40 odd years. So when the man come and ask him for the property, one piece to buy, he said he can't sell him, but he will lease it. So the man is a question mark when he come by it and so. So what they do now, they lease the piece and say them go farm it up. Even my brother-in-law, my sister, clean it up. So then leave and go and then don't come back. And then buy the pumpkin seed and stuff plant and spray and then don't come back. So my father still view the property now and decides he will deal with the title. So somebody introduced him to a man that deal with title as a businessman. So after the man go in, he realized that a title come in. So he transferred back the title from who have it to my father. They give you a deed of gift. So it happened that now the man have the title now, take it up in and he been through the court. So if I've been through the court and I got the man now transfer back the title from daddy to another company and say daddy sell it 25 million, but which daddy never sell it to him. So he did to court, the man plead guilty for what he have done, 2008. So he go to jail for it. Then I believe 9 months. 2011, now they come serve daddy summons. So there is a lawsuit now for the property. So then take daddy to the police station at Rockaway with the lawyer that I hire and question him. So they make a court date to go to the court. When the case called up, the judge said, why taking my father, Mr. Sikal here? Because I have nothing against him and this case already closed. Well, the other party asked the judge for some time. When they prove themselves and say they have evidence.
Evidence of what?
She said that he involved in fraud. So the judge said, I have nothing against him. This case already closed. One man go down for it already. So I have nothing against him. That's in 2011. So the case keep on going on. Here to go back to court when the case keep on put off. The same thing the judge keep on telling them. So the lawyer that I had represent that their court. So he make a trial date for the case. And he never, when the case called up back, he never go through with it. So because now my father Hill, you have to start represent my father now with a medical report. And the trial date never goes, so the case put off back. You run right back to 2014. The judge said, I'm going to make his own trial date. So when you go to court now, to way at the front in Apple Tree, the lawyer asked me if you hear my father name called. I said, no. He said, ask that policeman that stand at the door. I asked him, he said, no. I go back to him. He sent me to another police. When I asked police, he said, no, it's all right. Go around, go outside and go around to the back. I'm go around to the back. You see the case of the judge and a gentleman inside the courtroom. I go to him and I ask him if my father name called. He said, yes. But your father never turn up. They issue out a warrant. So so you have to call the lawyer. I go to the lawyer and he said, come round. So he said, he was talking to the gentleman. And then he replied to the judge, Your Honor, this someone that you put out, you have to take it back. You know that he's ill? You know. So you have to take it back. And you're the son that always represents his father. You know. So the case put off there. So after the case put off, I come on father now. Tell my father about it. He decided to make a will. Go to the lawyer, the office. They make a will. And he said, when we make the will, the lawyer point to another lawyer. He said the information from that he have to go to the station, over the station, can you have a matter to deal with. So okay, after that now, we not get no court date. So I go to him and ask him, what happened to the court about the court date? Because we not get no court date after the case put off. He said to me, say, the police officer don't serve the summons yet. So me get the police officer number and call him. And he said, there is no summons out for your father. So the lawyer have to make a date. Go back to the lawyer, no court date.
All right, you have to steep it up, you know, you have to step it up because you got too detailed and it's really upon.
Okay.
Right. Come to the part where you come to tell me exactly.
All right. So anyway, when I get a document now, you serve a document served to go to court, not a Supreme Court. I go to court and the case call up. So
how much time you go to court now? How much time you go to court?
I don't remember any, but I go from 2011 to 2014. So then serve now, yeah, with 2015. So when you go to court now, 2015, that a Supreme Court, so I leave from Apathy to Supreme Court. When the case call up, my lawyer, he sent a lawyer to represent me. So the lawyer said, Your Honor, this document is not properly served. I'm Mr. Scarlett of a power attorney, and this document served to the niece, and so this document is not properly served. And we have to take 7 days to go through these documents. So I like it to put off the court. So the judge turned to the other party lawyer and said, Madam, where is your document? He said, leave it on the desk. He said, on the desk? You're coming here to let you leave your documents on the desk? He said, who is the police officer served this? He said, don't know. The judge said, you have to know. I want to put off this case. I want to put off the case. Make sure you come here with your documents. And he turned to my lawyer and said, make sure you can know in court date when you come in. From that, I don't go back to court. I keep on go to the lawyer for the court.
That's from what, 2014?
2015.
And from that, you don't go back to court?
No. So the lawyer now give me a document.
So you still have the land?
No, he transferred it to the other party.
The land transferred to the other party?
Yes, so the court over. So he give me a document and say, with the documents, on the document mark, with the complainants represent me a court. And that complainant cannot represent me a court. And he have another document, so the case starts from 2012 to 2015.
So where you actually have got the court to do? Where you want the court for rule? Where you want the rule to be?
All right.
No, just tell me please.
The other side bring that their court, say, in taking property, so in suing for it.
Yeah, so you want what?
So the children take out the title for the property now to the other side and take court over. We shall never go back to court or no.
No, we understand that we matter. Where you want the court for rule say? Where you want them say?
No, because, all right, you read what I wanted to rule say now. They give you documents say case over, and I never go back to court. And
no, brethren, just tell me straight now and go on back to the argument. Just tell me what you want the court to rule say. What you want the conclusion to be.
All right, what I want the conclusion to be now, to be back in the court that we can get back the title. The property.
All right. So what the lawyer say about that? Your lawyer, what I'm saying?
He give me a document answer the court over 2014 final judgment with the complainant. So the complainant represent me a court. A complainant can represent your court.
That's what your lawyer tell you?
Yeah, I'm giving it me have the documents.
And when you go back to the lawyer, what I'm saying?
When we go back to him and attack him over it, that's all he might do is get ignorant for me.
So you did not pay him? You was paying him?
Yes. Because if the Supreme Court, me pay him off the whole of Supreme Court money. What in charge.
And him get vexed with you?
Yes, because even before he give me the documents, he will tell me, say, him can do that any time. So I say, why are you using this word? If you know, see how time ago, and we can't leave the officer meeting accident and dead. So I ask him, why you use the word? You might make me know, say, if you don't see how man are dead. So me we got the bar association about it.
Yeah, what about it?
And they say they want everything in writing. And when we give it to them, then tell me when they have a meeting. We're going back.
After 5 years now, them have no meeting.
Yeah, they have the meeting. They said have the meeting, so I'm going back to them and say it is certified. I have nothing against your complaint, and I see what the lawyer have done wrong. And you and I and him and many more will be in the chambers. I'm going to discipline him. All that
for that not happen yet?
No.
Well, I don't know what to say.
When we go back to them and show the case. I say, why you show the case? Based on the liar statement. I say, what is the statement? She can't tell me. So
where your father there now? Where your father there?
The pass off.
Oh, you never said father pass off, man.
Yeah, man. But I have a will that he'll make.
No, and the will have the land thing on it.
Yes.
And where the man have? The one, you have the will where him have?
Well, then take out title upon the property.
And start pay feet.
Yeah, it is going to pay a fee, but he stop and start pay back on it.
How long now him a pay feet?
I don't know how long I pay for it, you know.
No, but you should find out how long him a pay feet.
Okay.
Because, you know, you have pay feet too.
Yeah.
So when you go down at the title office, who you pay the money where you pay?
Tax office. Yeah.
No, the money where you pay. Who for name you pay the money to in where you that know?
I pay it in my name. I always pay it in my name alongside my father.
For your father?
Yeah. Yes, so it's in my name.
And the next person who them pay the money to, for?
I pay the money for my father, but you pay it in my name.
The next person will take away the land.
Yeah.
When them pay the title, who will pay it for?
Them pay it in for them name.
So your name upon the title and film name upon the title?
No, my name is not on the title.
Oh, your name not upon the title?
No.
A film name upon the title?
For the man them name upon it, my father name did upon it.
So your father name not upon it again?
No.
Then ain't a problem, man.
So what they do now? I will receive a document from the title office with the evaluation portfolio rifle owner. That's my father.
So your father the rightful owner?
Yes.
So when you go down at the title office, what happened to that? Where?
No, I never go down to the title office, you know. I call in to them.
No, you have to go to them place, you know. You can't call them place, you know. You have to go.
Okay.
Well, brethren, I don't know if to tell you, because it all wrapped up amongst liars, and I am not a liar.
Yes, that's what
police. But right now, if them appear for the land, and them for them name upon the title, I don't know how that I go in relationship to how you are going to come out with it. Because them appear for the land, them name upon the title. Your name not upon the title, your father dead. I mean, I don't know how it's going to work out. That's all.
But it's sure when it's fraud, you know. Because when we go through liar and liar go through and say you're a fraud.
Who's a fraud?
He said the other side fraud me.
So why them not want to take the case? Why them not want to take the case?
They say they don't want to take it up because prison work and them end up a prison.
Who are going up a prison?
The liar that fraud me. And the other man.
The liar fraud and liar to liar no want to do a liar.
Yes. But you are a fraud.
Well, I don't know. Liar no want to give a liar. Police no want to give a police. Thief no want to give a thief.
Well, they say you're a fraud.
Politician no want to give a politician. Well, I don't know if I tell you, Bridget. Tell you the honest truth. Maybe somebody will call and tell you exactly what you have. So go and listen and see if anybody will call and tell you what you have to do. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
All right, give thanks.
Yeah, because there's no way the complainants
your
court. You said there's no way the complainants can represent your court.
Yeah, all right, you said that already. But may I say, I don't know what to say, so just go and listen to the program and see if anybody will call, have a better explanation what you do. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, as we say, we are taking the call them. That is really something else. Yeah, that is really something else.
Buddha.
Yeah, blessed man.
Yes, Prophet.
Answer the question there, man. Answer it. You're just liar about it.
Yeah, I'm not saying answer, but me come in for the argument late, so I'm not hear the whole life. But from the little bit when me hear, So like say then can him. Well, it's a fraud anyway. But mother say, go there one place at Duke Street where when the lawyer do you wrong, you carry them in front of the bar or something like so. You can find out the address from one lawyer police. Remember 21 Duke Street or Duke Street though.
Yeah. And them kind of put the fire on the liar them.
And the liar them, yeah, because that sound like the. But me here talking, I know title office him go tax him up here, tax him up here on the property.
Yeah, but him say the man named upon the title, the other man.
Yeah, they gonna work up some false document. You see it. Then they do that to my brother-in-law one place, but him kind of make one day, even the liar with the case, that's where he say him know him have to come out tight. The people them know go to prison and him have to come out tight, but I don't want to Clarendon body area there and a gunman business, so the liar run.
All right, you know what I never asked him? Him same father did not sell the land for 5 million, him never get it. Or him know same father never get the 5 million.
Okay, I never hear that part.
Yeah, him same father was supposed to get 5 million. Because maybe that deal they did make on him no know.
Maybe him pay part tight too.
Yeah. But him for real go down where you talk about on Duke Street sale. Because why liars are get involved with them land thing and house thing and you ever notice it?
That's what they can people, man.
May I tell you, liar always involved in some canning up house, people land, them collect money and not pay, pay to over. Yeah.
But so it sounds like them pay up taxes and something, and because the tax office, if I 4 or 5 hours, I'm going to pay tax money, one land tax office take the money,
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, because people now want peace. When I go pay taxes, I'm going to check out that 3 people that pay money. I'm going to say, I take that. So then I just take money, then just take it. You know, see it. Because from Jamaica now, she said, people that are foreign or whatever, they not come in, come work for the land. Them not try to get the time for run out so they can put title in their name,
Yeah. See it. But you know what time they are foreign and me I do show a whole heap of Jamaican and the audience and me say, I know say a whole heap of them come back to Jamaica, If you don't meet me in the lobby, you can't just sign over on the land to me. Let me go down to Jamaica, go distribute it, but because them know them now come back, a whole heap of them people now come back to Jamaica.
Some did
and I just did it.
Because me know all a brother, him did find out about some Peter land and him just get the paperwork, find out where they and trace the people in my foreign. And one of the lady going to find it, she hold and went in one nursing home. And then get the piece of land from her. She's so glad because she now come back and she out with them and she now no money, no. And she take 3,000 US from him for a piece of land.
Oh, yeah?
And him come down and sell it for 5 million. That's a couple of years.
What? How much you get that?
I don't remember how much land, But I know he sell it for 5 million and now 3,000 US in MP.
Wow.
At the time that about 100 and something. About 100 and something.
No profit that.
About $50, $60, about $60 to $70 and then time there.
Yeah, that's a high, it's a real estate.
But a whole heap of land about, man.
Yeah, a whole heap of land, they don't see it, man. It's a whole heap of land about, man.
But I'll try call the first night, boy, but nobody no answer nothing.
We never take no call, put you in the tour.
No, well, I remember somebody know, but me just me that go when at the near to when the program I end, cause me that go tell one because something where me when them they say where you that talk about Oberman and sitting. And about some things in the way coming out and thing, but me a brother at Trinidad and come here and talk say Oberman is a real thing.
I know my program, man.
No, man, remember say you that say something about like.
Oh, the brother, but me never talk about no Oberman.
No, but you that talk about Africa losing African identity and them something about Oberman, Christianity, wherever. But you that talk about about people are losing identity.
Give thanks, Bridget.
But the Bridget in the last night too. Why would I love to hear a story about the shootout eye? The farmer there.
Oh, the one for Hanover?
Yeah, the Bridget.
So the man them shoot and take away him ass and him goat them.
Yeah. I tell you, sir.
That sound terrible, man. But him still have him today, him not so him
still a hustle, him still a
yeah, man, him still say buy more, him buy a couple goat and him have 2 hearts. That's terrible, man. But when I say now, we see him story, like the police, them not take the case because them say him blind, so him can't identify nobody. But him say him didn't know where they ask them there. And him picnic them, they ask them to respond to the picnic them. So all them have to do is follow him with the picnic them, go at the ask. And then the picnic them will say yes or no, you know.
Yeah, of course.
And the blind man can identify the ask them too.
Yeah,
I've seen him ask them have something.
Identify vice too.
Yeah, man, I joke business.
Yeah, see,
I told the man blind, them I said them can't help
fully
him.
blind.
Eh?
You know, sound like him fully blind.
Him sound like him fully blind.
I invent them, there's something there.
You mean invent the arts
The
thing?
washer. I invent the washer for the trolley them or something.
No, I know the blind man attack that.
Yeah, man, I'm saying, and I'm, yeah, man.
Nah, man. This youth is a youth when me and him did argue about the COVID and the 5G.
The one with the COVID and
is that different? Yeah, man, and the blind man that.
And the 5G.
The one who say me invent a machine for watch.
Yes.
The supermarket trolley them.
Yeah. The 5G.
I know the blind man that, man. The blind man a farmer and over.
Yeah.
The brother here come from out of Spanish Town. We say we have the cleaner them for the trolley them in the supermarket.
In the supermarket.
A great invention that still.
You can't adapt it.
Yeah, I don't like sweet. I don't like sweet.
A loafer thing, you know.
Yeah. We have some in our house, but we want some.
But them no see it neither.
Yeah, but those 2 weeks ago, we see some in our house.
We used to wash plate with them, we used to beard
with them. Oh gosh, man, beard with them, with their bush, man.
Because they look like cucumber. When you see them, they look like cucumber.
Yeah, it look like a long cucumber, a squash. It look like a squash.
Yeah, squash.
Actually, it's a squash.
And when it dry, you know, it just...
Yeah, it just cut the middle and...
It closest stick visit to it a couple of years ago, they get some from foreign. When we get the real one from foreign, then when you used to sell it...
What do you mean real one? And the one where they are not real?
No, they have... They used to sell them a foreign, and they still do it.
Yeah, they sell them in a health food store. Put a stick on them and all them with it. And you can scrub your back with it and them thing there.
And then some plastic one too.
Yeah, but I understand how we just give them something. I mean, like, that is like a long time thing. And now it's like a in thing. You go to foreign, you see them in a health food store and specialized beauty salon. And I tell you.
So you go, things the whole I said used to use long time ago, now it come back in vogue.
To come forward as in vogue, it is in vogue, man.
Every 20 years or so.
Yeah,
remember when Belfoot went come in?
Yeah.
When Belfoot went come in the 70s, that I how we used to call that Bufferfoot in the 50s. And it got...
Yeah. If you look on coconut, that tells you no good for you. Now it's an in thing in all Hollywood. All the movie stars rub up them face with it and all them somewhere.
Well, but they don't know about the custard.
No, the boil long. The boil long with the custard, they are butter, man.
That, they used to love with the breadfruit, man.
And the ackee. Hey, custard, you don't have to have no seasoning in the ackee, you know. No. When you have custard, you don't have to put no scallion and thyme in the ackee, you know.
No, sir.
Yeah, man, you just boil it almost like it's like a burn. And then you cook the ackee, you don't throw the ackee in there. I make it go and burn down little. I tell you, man, I worries. With some breadfruit out here. Oh, God. Right now, if you stop the program, I'm going to eat so. If you stop the program, I'm going to talk about it. No, man, them food, them. But them things are gone, Bridget. Gone.
Me da watch a little thing with the African stage there.
Oh.
Florida, I don't know.
Which one of them? The last year one or this year?
I think I must say 2019. I'm not sure whether I reached the...
Last year. Yeah, we live on a big stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, last year.
Me I watch our next one, and Janine and a couple other people upon me. Me send the link to your WhatsApp. I don't know, because Janine, that girl can reason.
Yeah, man, she carries, man.
She bad.
She can... Oh, you say that? Yeah, me see it. Me never look in there yet, but me see it.
Julius and Garvey, son.
Yeah.
Some
Julius
other people
Garvey.
left on it.
You know, so Marcus Garvey Jr. 90 year old now. Even though he can't move or nothing, but 90 year old. You used to teach me. Anyway.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, give thanks. Give thanks.
You know, say, we look some strainer. Well, people call it strainer, but a loofah we used to call it too. It have two, you know that fruit will grow up on tree, that when it dry, it have this, when you peel off the skin, people all bathe with it, scrub them skin with it, and them foot and all them something there with it. A long time when I see it, you usually go up and I'll go to the bank. Certain things just gone in Rasta. Yeah. Because them things they're good for your skin, you know. You can almost not use soap or all that, you know, to scrub out your skin, you know. Because it take off the so-called dead flesh off of you and the dirt where they punish you. Anyway, we are look some. Anybody know who can really get some loofah or what we call it strainer? Just check me.